Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just doing a quick video today to show you my winter favorite protective style. And the hair is getting crazy long, but of course shrinkage. But I'm just gonna finish twisting up my hair and I'll show you guys how I get it done for the winter, and I probably will be able to leave this in for about 2 to 3 weeks. I'm doing them pretty tiny this time around. Hey guys, so we're reaching the end of my video. I'm just finishing up with putting these little mini twists into a braid just to stretch them out a bit. And yeah, if you guys liked my video, you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you want a sister to grow your hair with or just a girlfriend. I'd be more than happy to grow my hair with all of you guys. My next goal is gonna be waist length, so we're starting the waist length journey. So if you want to join with me. Give the video a thumbs up, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.